Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English translation of Surah At-Takathur is being presented here. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhaakum at-takathur. You are distracted by worldly gain. The mutual rivalry diverts you. Hatta zurtumul maqabir, until you visit the graves, until you visit the graves. Kalla sawfa ta'lamun, nigh you shall come to know. Summa kalla sawfa ta'lamun, again nigh you shall come to know. Kalla law ta'lamuna ilma al-yaqeen, indeed if you knew the truth with certainty. لَتَرَوُنَّ الْجَحِيمَ, you would see the fire of hell. Verily you shall see the blazing fire. ثُمَّ لَتَرَوُنَّهَا عَيْنَ الْيَقِينِ, and again you shall see it with certainty of sight. ثُمَّ لَتُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَنِ النَّعِيمِ, on that day you shall be questioned about the pleasures. Then on that day you shall be asked about the delights. Sadaqallahu Mawlana Al-Azim, Allah Almighty has said truth. Jazakallah khair, shukran, barakallah.